Hello, Conceal Coalition family. Austin Davis, your National Director of Training. And today I'm going to talk to you about how to keep your family from going bankrupt. It's a little personal story that hopefully we can get a lesson from. I had a recent call from someone I consider a close family friend. And this person has an adult child who is involved in protecting their children in a defensive force use. And they were charged with a serious crime and they went to the county jail. Just bonding this adult child out of county jail has basically put this family in dire straits. And it resulted in them having to call everyone they know to try to find funds to help the lawyer start the process. These funds are looking for not to finish the process, to start the process. Now, unfortunately in this country, a lot of times we only get the justice we can afford. And these people have no way of generating these funds to keep their adult child out of the prison. So what am I trying to get across this point today? We always think about being a guardian always and a warrior when needed. One of those ways we're a guardian is having a prepaid legal plan. Now, if you're a member of Conceal Coalition, you're probably like me. You have firearms legal protection to help you with the fight after the fight. I don't know that I would own a defensive firearm if I didn't have firearms legal protection to help me with the fight after the fight, because we know that is a definite outcome risk. But when it comes to other members of your extended family or your biological family, your adult children, your teenage children, your brother-in-law, your sister-in-law, your brother, your sister, do you have a plan in place if they call you? What are you going to do? Are you going to say, sure, I'll give you the money knowing that this is going to be an endless stream till we get this person some sort of legal outcome that is workable? Or you're just going to shut the door and say, I can't give you these funds because either I don't have them or I know it's a bottomless pit. They're going to just have to go to prison. The whole point of this story is we always talk about being a guardian always and a warrior when needed. But if you think about it, one of those steps to guarding your family is make sure you have a help for the fight after the fight, because it can be financially devastating. So it's something you need to think about. $15, $18, $20 a month for that one call. And there are some family members that are probably more likely to use a gun in a defensive situation to protect than others. But seriously, take this time and have some reflection on what you would do if you had that call and who you would just hang the phone up and say, you have to go to prison. Or those you say, thank goodness we invested in a prepaid legal plan so that the fight after the fight, we can worry about the psychological, the social damages while someone else worries about the legal battle and the legal fees. And as always, be a guardian always and a warrior when needed.